This is Huawei Y6 2018, a budget phone that costs 6,000 pesos. The purpose of this video is to show you guys how this phone performs in gaming, how the camera image quality looks like, and some other features that it have. My name is Joe, and thanks for tuning in to my channel. I have made an unboxing and a sneak peek of this phone, and I have linked it in the description below. The first thing that we are going to test is the image quality. Here are some sample photos taken. The overall image quality is decent for a budget phone. Low light image quality is not bad, and the front-facing flash also gives a little effect to the selfie shots. Video quality is also good in a well-lighted condition, though the autofocus system needs improvement. There is no image stabilization here, so you have to move smoothly if you want smooth shot. This phone don't have gyro sensor, so 3D content will not work. The loudspeaker is very good for a budget phone. Here's the sample. 8 gig. I think this is an internal storage. I don't know what's the meaning of this 32 here. The RP1 voice recorder, Remax IP1 voice recorder. Nothing here, nothing in the box. The 3000 mAh battery is enough for a whole day of usage, and it will take 2 hours from 0 to 100% charge time. Finally, this phone uses quad-core 1.4 GHz Cortex A53 as processor and the Adreno 308 as GPU with 16 GB of storage, upgradable up to 256 GB, and a 2 GB of RAM. This allows it to play cool games, and it's not getting really hot when playing. Overall, this phone is good, in my own opinion, for a low budget phone. For 6,000 pesos, it's a good deal. That's it for now, guys. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys like it. Smash that subscribe button below to get notification when I upload new video. Thanks for watching. See you again in my next video.